All right, so we're back. I also want to talk to you guys about how when you publish an idea, you can also make a video as well by just clicking the video. Let me do it again. So there's a video icon that you guys can see here that allows you guys to see to make a video as to how you guys are making up your markups and stuff. You just click continue, then you'll click the tab, the online tab that you want the video to show on, and it'll give you a countdown, and then you'll be able to mark up your charts and have all that stuff recorded as well. And so you'll hit stop and publish. Once you hit stop and publish, you guys can see it allows you to record it as well. So I'll just cancel it, but that's a pretty cool feature that TradingView has that I think is pretty cool as well. All right, so we're gonna move on. Let's see, we're gonna move on, guys, to how to create a broker account. All right, so let's move on. This is LMFX, which I truly recommend using. These are my favorite brokers. I hadn't had a problem with them ever since Traders Way. I've heard so many complaints about Traders Way, so I wouldn't even. I mean, if you're a starter, and you don't have much money, that's good, because it's good to use Traders Way because they allow you to start with only $10. But LMFX, you have to at least have $50 in your account, and they're pretty good. I love their customer support. Everything's good for me, so no worries. MetaTrader allows you to use their free broker. They do have a free broker called MetaQuotes on demo. When you first install the application, it requires no registration. So it's like a demo account you can use to kind of to create an account with free of charge, no registration, no hassle, nothing like that. And it's pretty quick. And it's just pretty much using MetaTrader's broker, which is called MetaQuote, to give you a live stream of the market. Now, when it comes to creating a broker account, I'll show you guys how to create a broker's account, a broker's account using LMFX. Actually, I have somebody else demonstrate that for me. But I'll let you guys watch this video. In the video, they're creating a demo account. But if you want to create a live account, it'll be the same exact thing. Okay, so that's let's pull up that video real quick. It's about 7 minutes long. Let's see. Let's give it some time to load up here. One second. So my YouTube streaming seems to be going super slow. Let's see if I can close out some tabs. Let's see. Refresh the page. If not, I'll probably just send you guys this link. That way you guys can view it. I thought it was pretty helpful, pretty straightforward. Pretty simple as well. Or I might have to show you guys myself how to do it anyway, since YouTube doesn't want to load this up. interesting because it was playing my music. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're just gonna roll on. Let's see if I can use my account. Okay, so you first, with any broker, you want to first join using their back office, and their back office is usually a website. LMFX's back office is, www.lmfx.com, and if you want to open a live account, you could, or a demo account, you could as well. You will first log in. If you have a login, you'll first be prompted to log in. You also have a live chat here where you can use their live chat, which is pretty instantaneous. They have great feedback. So I'm gonna act like I want to message them real quick, just to show you guys how fast they respond and stuff. Wanted to say hi. Okay. And they'll respond pretty fast. Let's see how fast they respond. They probably won't even respond to that, to be honest with you. Who knows? But yeah, I mean, they're pretty fast. Customer service pretty fast. Actually, let me. All right, y'all. Let me stop playing. Let me actually say something. Let me see. Okay, wait. He's typing. Let's see what he says. Oh, I don't even think he knows. Okay. Let me ask a question. To my demo account. All right. Give it a few seconds here. And as you guys see, it's just like a regular chat. You know what I'm saying? And if you want to end it, you just click the X button. Yes, and pretty straightforward, guys. Pretty simple. All right, so let's see if that link works again. Wow, that's interesting because I got the instrumental to work, but for some reason this link isn't working. Let's see. Control copy. Oh, here it is. Jeez, it's just not working for some reason. I'm not sure if it's the actual video or what, but okay, so we'll just go on without that. I'll just show you guys that manually. I just thought, she did a better job of showing it than I did. All right, cool. All right, so you'll first log in. Okay, let me click on my login zone. Okay, let's see. So I'll open the demo account first. All right, so they'll give you like the terms of how the demo account works and stuff and what it offers. You just click open account, and then I'll put in my my info. I'll just put my info using Usually I have this form that fills it out for me, but I guess I'll just do it manually since it doesn't want to work. Okay. Okay, so Brian and Nina. Let's see. Say I'm in China. Or you know what? Let's go back to the United States. Okay, cool. Alright guys, y'all don't be blowing up my number, alright? Let's see. And then I ask you for your date of birth. Now you guys know how old I am, okay? Let's see. $14 plus 6. Let me see. 32. Sorry. All right. So accept the terms and conditions. You click register now. This is just for a demo account, guys. Awesome. And so what they'll do is they'll send you an email because they are very email friendly. They love to send emails, and you'll just go to your email and verify that you got it. Okay. Oh, actually, it's saying here that an account with this email already exists. So that's kind of why I want you guys to watch the video, because that demo was really good. It had a really good explanation. But what I'll do is I'll just send you guys a link. That way you guys can watch that video. It has some really good content there as well. But yeah, so we'll just move on. Let's see if this link works. If this link doesn't work, then I guess I'll just have to send this to you guys as well. I got it running at the bottom. No, it doesn't. So it seems to be doing the same thing as well, guys. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just send it to you guys through the chat. That way you guys can view it and go from there. Okay, so creating a broker account. And so as I mentioned earlier, you know, the difference between creating a broker account with TradingView and MetaTrader 4 is that TradingView only has a select few brokers. So they have a U.S. regulated broker called Oranda, which is pretty good. I mean, they're not too bad, but they have pretty low margins. So, you know, their leverage is pretty low. So, I mean, they have some okay brokers, but not like, you know, with MetaTrader 4. Like MetaTrader 4 has a barrage of different brokers that you guys can choose from and stuff. You know, so, you know, keep that in mind. And so, you know, also bear in mind that TradingView also has an app. You know, learning how the app works is deemed rudimentary, being that once you know how the laptop version works, the rest should take care of itself. So pretty much what I meant to say there is that if you're able to use the laptop, you know, if you know how to work the laptop version of TradingView, then you should be good in terms of working the app as well. So, you know, just keep that in mind. All right, guys. So that was pretty much it. But let me see if I can get this to load up. Okay, so I did get this one to load up, which talks about how to install MT4 on your phone. I'll let you guys watch this video real quick. Oops.
Hey, what's up, guys? I'm going to show you how you can set up your demo account for MetaTrader. I'm assuming you already downloaded it. So when you start it for the first time, it's going to look something like this. And what you're going to do is you're going to open a personal demo account, the middle one. So you click right there. And I want you to search for Trader's Way demo. Unless you have one that you want to use, or you want to use that MetaQuotes demo, that's like the MetaTrader broker, but you can't trade gold and silver on the MetaQuotes. So Traders Way is the broker that I'm using for my live account, and they also offer a demo. Pretty much any broker that has a real account also offers a demo. So if you want to try somebody else, you can check out their spreads or see what currencies they have for you to trade. You can use their broker, but if you don't know what to use, I suggest just go with the Traders Way demo. So just type in Traders Way like that, and it should pop up. Yeah, and then just click on demo and open one with them. So you're gonna have to put some information on here. This doesn't matter, you can put whatever you want.
Oh, sorry about that, guys.
Where it says account type, we're gonna be using US dollars and we're gonna have an ECN account. These are the different types of accounts that they offer. Just do the TW, ECN, and USD. For the leverage, 1 in 1,000 is kind of high. You can do whatever you want, but you could, I suggest like 300 or 500.
So this is going back to what the whole leverage ideal I was talking about. Different brokers have different leverages. Most non-US regulated brokers will allow you to actually use the 1 to 1,000 leverage, which is that's pretty high. And that's why a lot of people use the non-US broker leverages, non-US brokers, because their leverages are so high. If you were using a US broker that was a broker that was regulated by US, then leverage would be around 1 to 300, or 1 to 500, which is pretty high for a US regulated broker as well. So Traders Way, they allow you to go to 1 to 1,000, which is pretty high, but they're also pretty bad in terms of service and how they deal with their clients. So keep that in mind.
You shouldn't be taking advantage of your leverage either way. So I just do 500. And for a deposit, you can have like all, I don't know, 500,000 or 50 million. I don't know what number that is. But try not to do something really high and treat this demo like if it was a real account. So if you were only going to open your real account with $3,000, just start with that. And then you put create account. And right here you review. Oh no, it's already making it. Alright, so that's it. You just set up a demo account. I would take a screenshot of this. The main things you have to remember are your login number, this number right here, and the password. This investor password you're not going to use unless you're going to be setting up like a BPS, or if you want to put this account on MyFXBook, you'll need that investor password. But yeah, besides that, you won't need it. And if you're going to set up an account with MyFXBook and you forget your password, there's an easy way for you to set up a new one through MetaTrader. But that's pretty much it. Let me save this. Push done. And now you're logged into that account. So it's loading. What the hell? There it goes. 427. Alright. So you'll have a few currencies right here. This is your quotes, the watch list. This is the charts. This is the active trades you got going on. This is the trades that just happened. And here you can put today's, last week's, last month's. So you can just see trades from a certain period, and this is your news. So if there's only a few currencies right here, if you wanted to add some more, you push the plus sign. And right here, ECN is FOREX currencies. Energies is like gas and oil. Metals is silver and gold. And yeah, they have cash and all that. So if you wanted to add one, you just touch it and I'll start adding it. That's good. And now all the ones that I added are down here in the bottom. So if you want to check out one of these charts, just go like that, and that's how you open it. Your candlesticks might not look like this, or actually they shouldn't look like this because I set this up manually. But if you want to change the color of your candlesticks and all that, you go down here to colors, customize colors. And you could set something up like this if you want it to look like mine. The main things are just the bull candle and the bear candle, and the background's white. So that's why the bar up and bar down are black. It kind of stands out a little bit. And it'll look something like this. And to add the indicators, you just push the F. And right here you could add some indicators. Just push the plus sign. And you could add your indicators, whatever you want to use. If you want to set up if I want to place a trade right here, let's say I want to place a sell, you do the plus sign over here, however much you want to risk. If you're starting off in demo, try to be consistent. Maybe do like 10-cent lots on a $3,000 account. And if I push buy or sell, it's going to buy or sell at this price. This number right here, this is your take profit. So you can put this at wherever you want it to close for profit. And this is your stop loss, so you put this wherever you want it to close for a stop loss. If you wanted to place a limit or a stop order, you go over here, put a buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, sell stop. And once you place a trade, you're going to see it right here. So let me place a sell real quick for a penny lot. Place a sell, done, my order's in. And now I can see that I have a sell right here. You can zoom in with your, like, I don't know how you call that hand gesture that I'm doing. But yeah, you just zoom in. If you want to change time frames, it's a little clock. You change currency, it's just the money sign over here. If you want to check out a certain level, certain price, go right there. I'm going to take profit at 175. Modify. There's my take profit. If I wanted to close the order early, hold it, and I can close the order for a loss right here, or I can modify it and change the stop loss, whatever. So that's pretty much it. Hope this video helped you guys out, and hope to see you guys making some money. Alright, peace out.
So is that to you? It still hasn't had my take profit. Alright guys, so I'm gonna stop it right there. But just a quick glimpse on how to do it on your phone. Let me see if I can get back to the section here I want to talk to you guys about. Okay, so this is a very important, let me see if I can go back. All right, so right around at this point, you have three options. You know, start without registration. And as I mentioned before, if you do this option, you'll be just using the MetaQuote broker, which is just free. There's no hassle. It's pretty easy, and it's just geared towards your demo account. The next option you have is to open a personal demo account, where you can just do that through either one of your brokers, and he shows you how to do that in this video. Another option is to log into an existing account. So if you already have an account, you already have everything set up. You know, if you've done that through your back office, you know, all you have to do is type in the username and the password here, and you'll be able to log into your account. But if you don't have that set up, you know, you could use the demo account, open up a personal demo account option, and do that. And so
you click right, unless you have one that.
And so here, this is what differentiates you from different brokers, because this is where you'll be entering your particular broker. That way he can give you, you know, that way MetaTrader 4 will give you the broker fee to use. And so you'll have You have a lot of different brokers out there. That's why you just have to search the one that you use, and that'll show. And make sure that if you're using a demo account, that you're searching for Traders Way or LMFX demo. So my broker's LMFX, and I want to use the um, I want to use LMFX demo version. I want to use the demo server as I mentioned earlier. If my broker, if I wanted to use a live account, I would be searching LMFX and then live as well. So, that's very important because a lot of people, they just trade accounts and think, they have a broker that's, with a particular company, but, 9 times out of 10, they usually get it wrong the first time. So that's just something I wanted to, let you guys go over. I also send you guys these videos because I think they're, very important. Once I download the recordings and all that stuff, I'll send you guys all this content. But as for now, that'll actually sum up our class for today. I know we ran well above an hour. We ran about 2 hours today, so little more than expected. But I'm excited to get this rolling with you guys in the chat as well. I will be hosting freestyle sessions, so most of you guys who weren't able to get the glimpse on it, what a freestyle session is pretty much a session where I'll go one-on-one with you and have you mark up the charts independently. So, we'll pull up a chart and I'll have you mark that up, and I'll guide you and make sure that you're going in the right direction. And any questions you may have, we'll just go from there. They're usually about 30 minutes to an hour. But just trying to help you guys see the market on a one-to-one basis. So give me shoot me a message. You guys are trying to do that. But until then, I'll be posting some content on the group chat that I'm pretty sure you guys are excited to. You guys will be excited to see. So let's start making this money and start trading these markets. All right, guys. I really feel like you guys are ready to go. If you guys have any questions, just feel free to hit me up. This is the last class, so glad to have you guys, my students, and you guys did a good job. So we'll just continue on from there and keep rocking on as we've been doing so far. So yes, sir. Yeah. Thank you, man. Thank you, guys. So all right. So I'll end it here. We'll continue things further with the group chat. But until then, happy pips, guys. I'll see you guys. All righty. Have a good one, brother. Mm-hmm.